concerning what he's saying here. It said, I thought it was just a few people here and there heard of this movement, but I'm shocked to discover that this thing is far bigger than what I thought. It's especially on YouTube. Worrying to see all these black people running around claiming to be the real Israelites, saying that but a big lie created by the white man to enslave the black people. That sounds very racist to me. Designed to enslave the black people, but what I really hear them preaching is nothing but pure hatred. And in my opinion, it's not any different than the Ku Klux Klan, the Black Panthers, the Nazis, or the Black Lives Matter liars and hypocrites. They're all racist. So-called Christians from the black community are backsliding at an alarming rate. And joining this movement, and it grieves me to see the black community. I'm a black Christian living in London, England, but I'm sad to say that this belief has reached this shores as well. Where did this belief originate from? As I said, I'm not familiar with a little bit about it, but apparently it's just something that's on YouTube. Do either one of you know anything about this?
You know, I've read in history that there are some Hebrews in Africa that are the black race. Ethiopia, but I've never studied them in terms of why it's that way and what do they believe and teach. I've never researched that.
But this doesn't sound like a true, even Jewish takeoff of true Judaism. It sounds like it's more of a racist
That's what it sounds like to me too.
Condemning Christianity, but certainly doesn't sound biblical.
No.
And Judaism is not the way to get saved. At this point, a person only gets saved and has a right relationship with God through accepting Jesus Christ as their personal Savior, and so this certainly doesn't sound biblical.
Well, I know it's not biblical, and but I tell you what we'll have to do on this one. We'll have to maybe come back tomorrow and give you some more information about this. I've heard of it, and I've had a number of people email me, writing in and asking the question, but I just kind of stayed away from it until we got somebody here that understood it and was wanting to, and could give us more information. We'll look into that and give you.
I was just trying to get the name of it again, what they call it.
Okay, it's called the Black Hebrew Israeli Movement.